We're on location in Grass Lake. Alex, what are we doing today?
Well, I got a deer, so, and my tailgate's broken. All right, so we were driving here on 52, and I saw a deer, and I stopped because of the temperature. You know, it's cold outside, and I'm gonna see if it's still good. But I mean, it's we come over here. Look in the back. You see the lawnmower and a couple shotgun cases, and that should be pretty self-explanatory. The lawnmower is going to die.
Yep. We got it running this morning.
Barely.
And we're gonna make sure it doesn't run after this.
We'll see if we can get that piston out of there by shooting it so many times.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot it. The piston's gonna fucking fall out.
We'll slug it first.
Lawnmower runs and works. All right, I'm ready to shoot it now. So this is what we're using. Mossberg slug shotgun, 12 gauge. We got the lawnmower running down there. And we're gonna start take one shot. See if, I mean, I'm sure a shot will kill it, but.
Well, I'm gonna try these ones. I've never heard of this before, but. All right, should be going now. God, that looks so nice.
I know.
Get your own clip and everything. Whew. Ready? Now this is a shotgun to point out. That's not a bolt. Well, it is a bolt action, but it's a shotgun.
A bolt action shotgun.
Yeah. All right.
I don't know what this is zeroed in at, but
that.
We'll see. Maybe.
Well, not that, but.
Right here.
Well, you'll try it. Yeah, you want earplugs?
No, I'm good.
All right. Well, that's how you destroy your hearing. So.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Sight right in on it.
He shut it off. Jesus Christ.
What are you doing? Yeah, go. You're just gonna launch it?
Bye, have a beautiful time.
Oh shit! You hit the gas.
Did I hit the gas tank?
Or the oil or something, yeah. Yeah, that's gas.
Gas is leaking out, but where did I hit it?
You hit the line.
Oh, I see. I went right through the engine block.
Wow.
The hole right there.
All right, watch out, because this might not go behind this.
I ain't gonna do it, but okay.
All right, well, fuck. How about this? You think this is better?
I ain't gonna do it either, but try it. Holy shit.
Did I get it?
Just do it again. When it's running, it could get dislodged.
I'd wear those glasses if I were you. Because if that shell hits your eyeball, you're fucked. Prone position. So he's going to hit the piston down there. You hit it. It's smoking.
All right, so we took 2 shots with the 12 gauge slug on this. You can see the entrance to this one here. You can see daylight right through there. And it looks like one of them went through here. I tried to hit the piston. It went a little bit off, it nicked the exhaust there. I don't know where. It looks like it just broke up inside there. So, I'll show the exit. Oil pouring out over here. Yeah. Just busted right through that. I don't see an exit for the other one, so it didn't make it through. Alex got an axe. He's gonna hit it. Hit it hard, man.
Now, do you want me to hit it with this side or this side? Blunt or sharp?
Sharp.
Sharp?
Crack it open.
Fucking thing again. I don't trust the gas in there. Hold on. Do it. No balls. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. All right, now hit the gas can.
No, I'm not gonna hit it.
It's on there. Got it.
Oh, you bastard. Wow, what a wheel of a time! Alright.
You're pulling a fucking fit like 20-foot chain with you. I don't trust where he's gonna throw this. Wow, okay.
Engine's off.
Yeah? Holy shit. Oh my god. Fuck.
Alright, let's move it up here. I can see the cylinder. Oh, piston, I can take it out.
Begin with, because we're shooting out here.
There we go.
Ah!
There's your piston.
Yeah, wow. That looks a little bit charred. So where'd you shoot through it?
Rings are still good. Look at that. This is a healthy motor before.
Yeah, a healthy motor. All right, well, here you go. All right, let's see if it still runs.
Crankshaft in there. Little valves. Bye.
Shutterstock Music.